Siyempre ate ko yun. Diba, gusto ko lang naman yung the best para sa kanya eh. Yung walang maging problema, maging maayos lahat.
You really love your ate, no?
Ano ba yan? Don't worry, ako nang bahala sa'yo. Basta papasukin mo lang ako. Oh, ito. Ay. Oh, sa'yo na yan. 1, 2. Ma'am!
Ronnie? Paano ka nakapasok? Karen! Tumawag ka security!
Si Tita Ronnie ba yun?
Guys, take 5 muna tayo. Ano mo dito?
Relax, Wilfred. I'm not here to wreak havoc. Ayoko rin naman ng gulo. I just came here to apologize. Alam ko nakailang sorry na ako sa'yo, Wilfred. Pero kay Lorena, I'm so sorry for all the things that I've done. And I'm sorry for all the things that I've said to you. I can imagine the trauma that I caused you. Pero nasaktan lang din ako. Sana, bigyan mo ko ng opportunity to make things right. Padala ako masyado sa emosyon ko. Alam mo, kung hindi ako nagpadala sa emosyon ko, this would have been less stressful for all of us. Alam mo yun, we could have been friends, Lorena. Pero hindi pa naman too late, diba? Right?
Drop the act, Ronnie. We're not in a teleserye. And you're a terrible actress.
Wilfred, this is not an act. This is me. And I'm extending my apologies to you guys. Especially kay Lorena.
This is me telling you. Sa dami ng ginawa mo, hindi sapat yung simpleng sorry mo. Do you even know what you've done? You've got so much damage and pain here, Ronnie.
I know. But I'm trying my best to be the bigger person here, Wilfred.
Go be a bigger person somewhere else. Wala naniniwala sa'yo. Ronnie, kung hindi ka aalis, tatawag ako ng pulis.
Love, hindi naman siguro kailangan pa ng ganun.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Aalis na ako. Ayoko rin naman ng gulo. Pero sana, Lorena, you'd be able to find it in your hearts to forgive me. Because I am really, really, really sorry. I just want to make things right.
Alam mo, nagmukha na nga akong tanga doon. But Wilfred's still playing hard to get. I swear, that Lorena should work her ass off para maibalik ako sa Pearl Vault.
Sabi mo, binigyan mo siya ng side eye, tama? So gets na ni Lorena na hindi mo siya titigilan.
Hindi talaga. And I'll never stop pestering her hanggat hindi ko na